Hello, this is L2L Support, and today I'm going to review how to leverage L2L data to improve your maintenance management process. Maintenance teams need data to identify troublesome assets and put preventative measures in place. It's essential to maintain and improve upon preventative maintenance plans and strategies. This data helps to drive success and perform roles in a cross-collaborative environment. Understanding and improving upon the costs of running a maintenance operation is crucial. Ultimately, it maximizes the potential of your maintenance group and sets the team up for success. Identify opportunities to improve by having maintenance dashboards up on monitors in communal shop areas for live events. Regularly reviewing reports on a daily or weekly basis creates action for top contributing breakdowns. Reviewing longer-term data, quarterly or biannually, is vital for project and PM plan improvements. Monitor spares, labor, and external costs for trends. Respond to any anomalies and create actions for long-term cost reduction opportunities. L2L may be used in various ways to impact the factory for improved process efficiency, quality control, long-term cost reductions, and informed decision-making. Some of these ways include responding to breakdowns to get production running in an efficient, timely manner, collaborating with production, quality, and others to find root cause and solve problems, improving uptime to give production more time to create product, and communicating needed scheduled time for PMs and other work. Utilize L2L to impact metrics by making sure that the line is available and equipment is running at full capacity, which is maintenance's primary contribution to ensure success. Monitoring and evaluating spares, labor, and external costs will ensure proper maintenance of cost metrics. Working safely and within quality guidelines will ensure adherence to safety and quality metrics. Set up your team for success by maintaining visibility to the key metrics in the communal maintenance areas. Reviewing data often, setting goals and holding accountability. Managing resources time, creating subject matter experts, and rewarding those who excel. Communicating effectively, tracking progress, and taking action. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.